Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mirror your video on Zoom. This is a useful feature if you want to see yourself the way you naturally would in a mirror, making it easier to check your appearance or read text during calls. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting. This can be any meeting, whether it's one you're hosting or one you've been invited to. The mirroring settings need to be adjusted while you're in an active call, so make sure you're connected before moving forward. Now, take a look at the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. This is where all your meeting controls are located. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled More. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional settings and features. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Once the settings window appears, direct your attention to the right sidebar. Here, you'll find different categories for adjusting your Zoom preferences. Click on Video and Effects, which is specifically designed for managing how your camera and video display work. After clicking that, you'll see a sub-menu. Go ahead and click on Video to access the core video settings. In this section, you'll notice several options related to your camera feed and video quality. Look for the checkbox beside Mirror My Video Preview. This is the key setting that controls how your video appears to you during meetings. Go ahead and check this box to enable the mirroring effect. This makes your video feed appear flipped horizontally, just like looking into a mirror, which can feel more natural and intuitive when you're on camera. After you've checked the box, you can simply close the Video and Effects settings window. Zoom automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to hit any save button or confirm anything further. Your preference will be applied immediately and will stay active for all future meetings. It's important to note that this setting only affects your view. What you see on your screen will be mirrored, but participants in the meeting will still see you normally without any flipping. This ensures that any text or graphics you show remain readable to others while giving you a more comfortable viewing experience of yourself. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled video mirroring on Zoom, giving yourself a more natural and familiar view during your calls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.